Hello, everybody. So, my name is David Felipe Durango, and today I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about the final task in this course, English phonetics. Okay, so good morning. I hope you are really okay today and you have a wonderful day. So, in this video, I will explain three consonants sounds of the IPA alphabet, as you know. So let's start with the first is this one. Let me show you. So first we have to know the place in the minor of the articulation is called labiodental on. So on the R they articulate fricative and we can articulate this symbol, and so you can feel your teeth and touch the lower lip, so and it's soft. You can also be able to feel the previous tension and of there are between the lips and the teeth is what is called a fricative basically. So these produce big consonant the top strip on lower lip. This is really important, and it's important to know that the consonant mm, has voiceless means that this consonant cannot produce voice is any voice, and there is no change in voice. So now we're going to see, let me show you the next symbol is this one. We're going to see the use of this symbol in a sentence. Sorry, I'm gonna give you one example, one important example with the other symbol, with this one. So in the case love, we have the sentence and also the pronunciation that occurs in the IPA alphabet, and we can see the symbol in the two words love and fun, like like it's with the air with. Let's continue with the next symbol. The next symbol is this one. The next symbol. So we have to know the place and the mineral joint of this, and the is dental, and the collision was fricative. Like this fricative, how can we articulate this sentence? Can you feel like, or sorry, you can feel like forts and veins between the lips of your tongue, tongue top, tip, and joint, but an onset on a smooth area. In any area created, there will be friction. When you force is known as afflictive. So basically, so the one is being positioned between the symbol is for us is not a voice, so you can't feel any direction. Okay, so here. Now finally we're going to check this one. Let me show you this symbol. As you can see now, so the place of the consonant is open, the shape of the joint is left without. So how can we articulate? When you say the symbol, you should be able to feel the air flow, maybe, yes. So the side of the tone indicating uh, that it's lateral. So basically, to be able and we have to touch the teeth and tone being the top of the upper part, and then very good. This consonant is really different of one or two vowel when broken. Breaking, can you feel the direction through this? And I think that's all. Thank you so much. Thank you for your attention. Thanks for watching this video in this short video, this tutorial, and thank you so much. I'll see you in the next opportunity. Goodbye. Bye bye.